What? Hot girls are out. I'm not pick up no girl today. At least not on this bike, because it's not my bike. Okay, we start right up. See, I just love my dog, yeah, yo. Look at my brother Tommy how to chase the bay. The day he lost his soul. Whoa, me can't. Oh, it's weird to run on this bike. Hold up. Woo! Okay, there we go. Okay, it's just a little bit getting used to the balance. Whoa, shit. Make one slight move and this thing is about to turn, bro. Yeah, did I even sync up the audio? 1, 2. There we go. We're synced. Dude, I cannot. Visor down. Come on, let's go. Whoa. The gloves, they're feeling a bit more natural now. Because me never ride with gloves for so long. I haven't ridden with gloves for so long. That little ride up that top roadside felt good. Felt good, bro. Pardon me. Woo-hoo! Yeah, baby. Slow down, cowboy. The horn is so hard to reach. It's like I have to be moving my whole hand. I don't like that. I like when I can just access the horn, like, you know, I have to move my whole hand, position it over and all these things. Bicycle dudes. Oh, it is a girl. Yeah, woo, shoo. Man, if there's one thing I hate about this bike, it's the vibration. Holy crap, this thing vibrates. This thing vibrates, man. But it has power. Yeah, it has power, man. It vibrates, but it has power, bro. No joke. Slow down, cowboy. Ying, ying, ying. Sorry, sir, I didn't see you. Remember that, dude. Whoa. No overtaking. Hold up, what the frick? Something's going on over here? Oh, them normally have Christmas tree and them something there. Maybe I that them are set up for. Woo! Brake, stop me please. Woo! Yeah, boy! Shit, I accidentally even touched the indicator. Oh my god. Oh, they're working. Yeah, the indicators are working. Oh. Ooh, ooh. Who is that dude? Why are you pointing out your hand, brother? Let's go! Yeah! Woo! No overtaking. Can we turn on the lights? Yeah, we can. I think I'm in third gear. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm in third gear. Yep. Okay. Slow down. Okay. There we go. Slow down. Yep, I was in third gear. Third now again. Let's see if we can. Oh shit, we can't do no passes here, bro. There's a nice stretch down the road. Really want to test it out. I see how it performs on this stretch. You see me? That more I see. I want to go and out as a party. Crank him open. Woo! Crank him open now. Second gear, that's enough. Third. Oh shit, the road get. Whoa. Yeah, my foot. Vibration will kill me. Foot. Slow down. Open it. Ah, come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh, that's fifth. Oh shit, that's fifth gear. Slow down. Foot. Third. Second. Take me little time and muddle through. Thank you guys so much for fixing the road. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. This road needed to be fixed years now, bro. Years now. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate it, brother. Yeah, we appreciate it, mums. Yeah, thank you. I know you can't hear me. Woo! Yeah, boy! Oh, whoa, yeah, they fixed out here too. Ah, whoa, hey, big truck, where you move? Oh, you don't get pretty road now, so now, okay. We now move. Okie dokie, I see. Get pretty road, so now move. Ooh, whoa, yeah. What time is it? It's 5:11. Indicators on. Hey boy, you don't come out that road. Hey boy, I want to feel that road. I look for a naked girl. Okay. Go on up here, sir. Yo, the muffler is silent, but people can hear it. Just like a gun, you can't silence a gun to the point where it's completely unheard. It will only take out the loudness. You see me? Ratted. Oh, I want to stop me last week, you know. Right at the one. That green bike me did that one. Yes, man, I test ride it, man. Hey, no easy, you know? Yeah, man. See that green plate, everything, my boss. Yeah, man. Blessings. Respect. Oh my god, bro. Like, what the fuck? Dude, those same cops stopped me last week. Bombard. Yo. Oh my god, bro. You see a police boy that stopped me last week. That I know it's time. I'm not gonna lie to you. And same boy them stopped me last week, but you see, by the time I looked at my camera, by the time I left their foot and looked at my camera, my memory card was full. So I don't have any video of that, but somebody recorded when they stopped me, and I'll just drop it right here.
Boy, Paradise. Nah, them just pull over Paradise.
Dude, I was like, come on guys, y'all stopped me last week, come on. I was on a green bike. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so funny, bro. Like, what the fuck? That no man, nah, they go road again. Hey, this bike can put a smile on your face. Whoa, shit. This bike can sure put a smile on your face. I'm not gonna lie, it has power. Yeah man, little. Shit, man. I'm about to feel like hands getting on my shoes, dog. That's the road I went. This is the road I went down on. No, not went down, but that's the road I took in the first part. Woo! Yeah! Who that? Chuck boy, a killer want to kill me, a little batty face boy. Who you? Yo. Hey, woo. Yes, right. There, man. I can ride anything that I want, that I can.